Hello students, welcome back to the unit Renewable Sources of Energy. In this, the different contents we are going to discuss is the wind energy, current status and future prospects of the wind energy in India. So the wind is caused by the uneven heating of the atmosphere by the sun, variations in the earth's surface and rotation of the earth. Mountains, bodies of water and vegetation all influence wind flow patterns. Wind turbines convert the energy in wind to electricity by rotating propeller like blades around a rotor. The rotor turns the drive shafts, which turns an electric generator. Three key factors affect the amount of energy a turbine can harness from the wind. First, wind speed, second, air density and swept area. Now we'll understand the current status and future prospects. Electrical energy and mechanical energy can also be produced by wind energy. The gross wind power potential is estimated at around 48,561 megawatt in country or the nation. A capacity of 2,126 megawatt as 31st March 2015 has so far been added through wind, which places India in the 5th position globally. Some of the major wind energy plants are located in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Maharashtra. India was the world's 5th largest market, around 2.3 gigawatt up to 34% over 2013, and remained 5th globally for cumulative capacity as 22.5 gigawatts. In the year 2015, the MNRE set the target for wind power generation capacity by the year 2022 at 60,000 megawatts. So previously it was 48,561 megawatts. So by end 2022 it will reach 60,000 megawatts, and wind power will be the next as production to the hydroelectric power. Wind energy capacity for installed electricity generation 20.23 gigawatt of the total to 34.6 gigawatt of electricity generated in India January 2014. While renewable energy sources together account for nearly 12.6% of total capacity, wind accounts for 8.7%. As of 2010, the wind energy industry was estimated to be directly and indirectly employing 42,000 people in India. An additional 60,000 wind energy jobs will be needed by 2020, according to growth estimates from the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE. Next, we'll understand what is the status of India about wind energy. In 2011, the Center of Wind Energy and Technology, CWET, revised estimated onshore wind energy potential in India from 49.1 gigawatts to 102.8 gigawatts at 2% land availability. The maximum estimated potential in the state of Tamil Nadu, followed by Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Karnataka. So table shows state-wise capacity in India, which placed the Tamil Nadu at first place amongst states. There is a growing number of wind energy installations in state across India. So the table shows first the Tamil Nadu is the producer of wind energy in the most capacity as 7,455 megawatts, and the list it is been as per March 31st of 2015. When it comes to the Karnataka, it is in the 5th place. It was in the 5th place, and around 2,638 megawatts of current it's been produced, and around 5% of the energy, the electricity energy, it's been coming from this wind energy, wind power, whatever it is say. And the rest, it is from the thermal power plant and the hydraulic power plants. So we are still further gaining these some areas or the land where we are building these wind power energies, turbines, and we will be the most or the highest producers in wind energy in coming days. Thank you. This finishes with this video.